Harandarizo is the word used more in Antruz, whereas we used to say Anadharizo.
Means what? Heavy rain?
Heavy rain. Heavy rain.
So there must be many words to describe the rain.
Definitely. Arandarizo, Magir, Ghonyazo.
Ghonyazo means?
Ghonyazo, again, it's a heavy rain. In English, we'll say heavy rain, that's it.
Yeah, this is like Eskimos have 27 words for ice or whatever.
Yeah. Same.
And the coconut tree has about someone said 57 words to describe different parts of it.
Water has about 50 words.
Where?
In Sanskrit and all.
In Sanskrit.
Yeah.
And someone was saying that Konkani has a lot of words for smells, different smells to describe different smells. There are about 5 types of ants which I'm aware of.
Even
ants,
I'm
Umle, Damle,
Damle, Kalamuyo, Pakajamuyo, Kadmuyo.
Katmuyo. The ones who sting very badly.
So, Paus Hanandarizo. This is like after a heavy rain, heavy rainfall, what happens in the village? फातोडीचेर झडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो. पाडको पयले वारीचो means calf. First time calf delivered from a young cow.
The first born?
First born. So after coming out, he just runs.
After being born, he just runs?
He just runs.
Hey.
Within 2-3.
Really?
Yeah, just runs. Then sometime, when we used to wake up, the cow has delivered and there's no calf.
Really?
Then suddenly we used to see the dogs are running behind and calves. This is like a miracle. So I have compared that rain
with the calf.
So फातोडीचेर पडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो. भल्ली शेतां भल्ली तळी उदक जालें जळी मळी खावटी फोडीत धांवलो लोट बोंदरा तारीचो फातोडीचेर झडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो. वावराड्याचेर बेकार चुमळ. You understand this, no? वावराड्याचेर बेकार चुमळ. Some workers had to go without work because it was raining heavy. वावराड्याचेर बेकार चुमळ मळये भातान जाली उमळ उमळी वाऱ्यान हुमटलो रे सातीन वयले खाडीचो. फातोडीचेर झडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो. कायतुल्याचे मोडले कुडे हेस्टॅग. कायतुल्याचे मोडले कुडे उदका कोणा गोठ्या फुडें व्हांवून गेलो व्हाळुले पेणको सणा तारीचो. फातोडीचेर झडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो. मानशेदारा कोसलें फळें हुबून गेले पाडसा नळे. मानशेदारा कोसलें फळें हुबून गेले पाडसा नळे जळवा खोप पोरनो कुमा मोडलो झुजे मारीचो. फातोडीचेर झडलो पावस पावस हरणदारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो उन्न मारीत आयलो जसो पाडको पयले वारीचो.
I think unless you live in Goa through the monsoons, you will not know what it was. More so in the past than now, because now you have some kind of way of coping with it. Slightly stronger houses and all these kind of things. But I think this is not just expression. It is a recording of
you can say it's a documentation of the
life
for last 15, 20, 25, 30, 40 years.
50 years, more than that.
Changes also. Socio-political changes, then geographical changes.
How far back do your memories go? 40 years?
Maybe more than that. I have very strong memory, even when I was 3-4 years old. Yeah. Many of them small. My elder brother doesn't remember, but I do.
Some people are blessed with that, no? Some people are blessed with a strong
Sometimes
memory.
I tell him Fogo's father died. I remember because they came to us Samay with us. So he said, no, Ramesh, I don't remember. So I said, no, I don't remember seeing him, but I remember they asking for the Samay.
Samay is the lamp.
Samay is the lamp, yeah.
And Fogo is Mr. Fernandez, who passed away at 90 recently. 90.
His father must have passed away same in 80s, 90s also.
Wow.
Yeah. Many of my poems, they reflect the nostalgia. Maybe I spent those 16 years abroad, and then maybe I'm glorifying those past, the beautiful past of...
which is fine, because people like us who lived here all throughout, we take it for granted, and we don't see the small incremental changes which add up to a lot, no?
Yeah. No, before that, it's about social change. Hindus still the arranged marriages are happening,
Yeah.
and when a bridegroom, a boy goes to visit the girl's family,
Yeah.
there's a certain ceremony happens.
Really?
Yeah, he comes and he will sit on the bench, chair.
Huh.
He'll sit on the chair, then he'll be served some drinks and the sweets.
By the girl?
By the girl. She'll come in front with display of the tea or some sweets and all. And she'll look down, and within 2-3 minutes it will be decided whether he likes that girl or
I
not.
see.
And sometime if the girl is dark,
Yeah.
she'll have refusal 5 times, 6 times, 8 times, 9 times also.
Okay.
Till she'll go for somebody who's much aged also.
Okay.
And this is, I feel, the social stigma. So काळ्यांनी कितें करपाचें? What the darker girls will do? एकट्यान सांगलें पाखळी झडना like they go for prasad.
Partly, yeah. The oracles are not working.
yeah.
It's not tallying out.
Yeah. So एकट्यान सांगलें पाखळी झडना, दुसऱ्यान सांगलें देवाक पडना. They shouldn't be from the same gotra.
Yeah. Too close, no consanguinity. Yeah.
Okay. एकट्यान सांगलें पाखळी झडना, दुसऱ्यान सांगलें देवाक पडना, तिसऱ्यान म्हळें उंचायेक ल्हान.
Lack of height.
तिसऱ्यान म्हळें उंचायेक ल्हान, चवथ्यान म्हळें गोरें पान. मिठाई खावन धेकर काडीत कितले जाण येवन गेले.
They eat and they belch.
Yeah, and then they go. मिठाई खावन धेकर काडीत कितले जाण येवन गेले. बेगीन तुमकां कळयता गा, पोक्यो आशा दिवन गेले. Will let you know.
Empty hopes.
Yeah. So बेगीन तुमकां कळयता गा, पोक्यो आशा थेवन गेले. आईची धरून धावी. Today the 10th one. आईची धरून धावी सगळ्यांक गोरीच व्हंकल जायी. काळ्यांनी कितें करपाचें गा? कोणेन तांकां व्हरपाचें?